Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be doing a lot of layered stamping featuring KADS Nature 045 stamping plate. And here's the stamping plate. Now let the layered stamping commence. After all of that, I'm applying a non-smudge top coat. If you want to check out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. And never forget to use my 10% discount coupon code KADS honeycrunch321 at KADS Nail Art. You can also follow KADS Nail Art on Instagram. The link for their official Instagram account is available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!